Hey guys, Zane here. Show you how I barbecue ribs on a Weber Q. First you buy these, look like, I think they're cookie sheets from a dollar store. Get two for $1.25 now. If you would have bought one of these from Weber when they sold them, they were $20 each. And you had to wash them every time. These you just throw away after you're done. I got one grill for the big rack of ribs or anything big I'm cooking, and I got a small one for the small rack of ribs, which is what I'm cooking today. Okay. So you make the heat shield by folding these corners over. The side, you fold it again. And then you do the end here. This way it's a lot more sturdy and it keeps the runoff from going too many places, except down where you want it to go. And then I take a little Phillips head screwdriver and I just poke. Don't have to be all fancy. I got 4 holes along the end. And then I try to put the holes where the burners aren't. In the center here. Any hole will work, and that's that. And then you take it over here and you put it on the barbecue, and that's your heat shield. You have to get it going. I like it on high just to get it going, then turn it down to low, all the way down. And I sprayed this rack with oil for it wouldn't stick. And I'm gonna put it on my rub. I like to mix 2 parts apple cider vinegar to 1 part water and put rub in here to make it nice and fiery. Any rub you like will work. And I buy these cheap 2-for-1 $1.25 at the dollar store. Makes good mopping brush. I come out here and put the liquid rub on here every half an hour about. Oh, that sounds good. Okay, we'll check it out now. Ooh, it's starting to look pretty cooked. We'll give it a shot of rub. And then we'll turn this over for about 20 minutes on the other side. Oh, that looks good. A little rub here. A little rub there. I'm going to total, there's a small rack, but it's kind of thick. We're going to go a total about 2 hours and 15 minutes on this. So we'll come back in about 20 minutes. Okay, these suckers are done. The little barbecue sauce on this side. Oh, those look good. I like Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Just for the fact it's delicious and easy to do without making your own. Even though I know it's not the most healthiest sauce for you. But sure makes the ribs taste good. Okay. I'm going to turn off the heat and let them sit there for about 15 minutes while I get everything else ready. And here's the finished product. Ooh, that looks good. Look at that. Woo! Hope you enjoyed the video.